Hello guys, it's Arjun Nazif back with another video. Oh no, not back with another video, back with some clips from my new year. So I'm very sorry, but I literally forgot to make a video that night. But my mom and my family members said I can just use the clips to make some videos. I mean some video. That video is like, I don't know, 2 minutes long or something. Yeah, so I put it in the next scene, and I hope you guys enjoy that. And guys, please subscribe and like and share, because the viewers, look, yeah, that many are unsubscribed, my viewers, and only that many are subscribed. Guys, the guys who are not subscribed, please subscribe, guys. I need your help to get to 100,000 subscribers. Yeah, and after a few days I'm gonna upload another video tomorrow. It's probably like January 10th or 11th when I publish this, because I was really sick, guys, and I couldn't edit. I was really sick. I think I had a fever or something. So I don't want to bore you anymore, and let's go to my New Year scenes. I hope you guys enjoy it. And there's some my language, Bangla, some words in Bangla, but I'll translate that and put it like this. Okay, enjoy the clips.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, বাতাসে হিট বেড়ে যাবে একটু পরে, তখন পানি দিয়ে কমাইতে হবে। গানগুলা
মোবাইলে ক্লিয়ার হচ্ছে না কেন?
দেখো পিছনের এটা একটু পরিষ্কার করে
এটা করছি।
হ্যাপি নিউ ইয়ার। এই পাশে দাও।
বাই বাই 2024।